Good afternoon, all of you.
Good afternoon.
How are you? I am also good. As you know, my name is Rahul Dwivedi and my partner name is Aman sir. Today we are going to play a debate game in which I am supporting the indoor game and he is supporting the outdoor game. Let's see who will win.
Okay. So hello all of you.
Hello.
So, sir has just told me like I'm supporting of the outdoor game. So basically there's a many more benefits than indoor games. So basically firstly I will tell you about the other stuffs, which is like the people who are going to the park and they are playing the cricket. By that they are gaining so many things. If I'm talking about like communication skills and the many other stuffs, like if I'm talking about like a person's going outside, so basically first he need a communication skill. After that he is able to play with the strangers people. So I think the outdoor game is more better than indoor games.
So tell me one thing, while playing the cricket game, how can you improve your communication skills? Because in the cricket game you will have to throw the ball and you will have to play with the help of bat. So how can you improve your communication skill? And if you are saying about the physical strength, so same thing you can do in your indoor games also, because there are so many games by which you can improve your skills. Like the greatest example, the chess, by which you can grow your related to the brain skills. And a part of this, if you want a physical strength, so you can play the kho, you can play the there are so many fighting skills like MMA, judo, that kind of thing you can do. And if you want to improve your communication skills at your home, you can speak to the other person, you can play any kind of game by which you can improve your communication skills.
Okay, is it possible to play a kho in the home? Because I think the playing the kho we need a more space, and then in the Delhi there is no huge space. The people are living on the apartments. After that they used to go to the outside, and it's considered as an outside game. And if I'm talking about that's why I'm studying communication skills. When you go to the park, you talk to someone, because while they playing the chess, we are between the two persons, like me and you. We are playing the chess, and not under third persons would interrupt us. While they playing the cricket, any other games, football, there's a many peoples. By them we attract them. We know how to react in the public. We know how to talk to someone, how to talk to someone. Because by that we learn so many things.
The same thing you can learn at your indoor game also. So who said that for the kho you need so many big places? Because if you are talking about the cricket, so we need a very big ground. And the reality is that in Delhi there are not so many grounds for the playing cricket, because I belong to the Sangam Vihar, I live in Sangam Vihar, so there is no very big park for the playing cricket, because I will have to cover the the 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer for going to the park for playing cricket, and it is not possible. And second thing is that you can play cricket in afternoon, you cannot play game in the noon, but in the indoor game you can play anytime whenever you want to play the game. And if you want to improve your skills, so I think the PUBG is one of the best game by which you can improve your communication skills. Apart of this, you can improve your mental skills also, because there are lots of people who used to say that the PUBG is one of the worst game, but I think it is one of the best game, because I think there are so many YouTubers who are earning too much money with the help of the indoor game. And the perfect example is the YouTube, and the perfect example is like the PUBG, COD, Valorant, and they are earning too much money. So what is the need to go outside? And apart of this, the tennis, Roger Federer he is one of the most richest person in all over the world in terms of sports, and he is earning too much money. For the tennis, you no need to go outside of your home, you can play inside your home also.
Okay, you were mentioning so many YouTubers. Are they more famous than Virat Kohli? If I'm only talking about the Indians. There's some, I know it. There's many players who are playing the BGM and the COD on the while playing, sitting on their room, which is like considered as a room which is they consider playing the e-games. So are they more famous than Virat Kohli and the Sunil Chhetri? Not at all. If I'm talking about like Virat Kohli, he's the player, he's an outsider player, he's a cricket player. He got 242 million followers on Instagram. And there's a many others like athletes also there, like Neeraj Chopra. Neeraj Chopra is one of the greatest example for those persons who are thinking that they can earn money. He was too good in the javelin throwing. By that he got a medal in the Olympics champions. Even though right now he is doing so many things, he motivated the persons like go outside and play something and do something outside play. I never ever saw the persons who always motivate person and insist to play the inside game. I have seen so many motivation speaker go outside and play the outside game. By that I agree with that. The mental development is as much essential because it is necessary, but the physical development is also as much essential as much mental development. By that you have to go outside because you need an environment. If I'm talking about like a children's, like a students, he is maybe in the 5th and 6th class, he going outside, he going to the park, anywhere, he is playing any outside game. So basically somewhere he connected with the environment, like the nature, like a tree and any other objects, like he's seen so many things, he gets fresh air. Is it not possible to a person like sitting in the classes and sitting on the room while they playing the something inside game? They can't get it.
Okay, for your kind information, Virat Kohli is the 67th richest person in all over the world in terms of sports. But I think the Roger Federer is the second person, richest person.
It's not about the money.
You said about the fame, you said about the popularity.
I'm talking about the India.
I think
Yes.
you are talking about the India, but
Yes,
I am talking
yes.
about the all over the world. It doesn't matter because how many Virat Kohlis are in India? Only one. Okay, it's up to you what kind of skills you are having. If you are having a skills related to cricket, so yes, you can become a cricketer. Everyone cannot become a cricketer. I am talking about the skills. If you want to improve your skills, so you can improve your skills.
That's why I'm telling you, sir, skills makes a man perfect. If you're having the skills to play the football, play football. If you have skills to javelin throw, you do javelin throw. If you have the skills to climbing, climbing. A person who is like a short, like a child need some, climbing. By that they can enhance their height. By the running, they can enhance their legs as well their muscles. It is not possible to a person who playing the inside game. Please try to understand, Mr. Rahul.
So same thing you can do at the indoor also, because there are so many gyms where you can go, where you can do all kind of things. Because if you want to improve your height, if you want to increase your height, so you can pull up. Okay, and if you want to increase your stamina, so there are so many equipment by which you can improve your skills. Apart of it, if you are talking about the games and that kind of thing, I think if you are talking about the games, and I think the indoor game is very best, because if you go in the past, so in the COVID time, we were not able to go outside of the house. We were playing the Ludo, we were playing the Carom, and I think it was the best time to spend time with our family. It was the best time to play the indoor game. On that moment, we were
and
not,
that was the time of the people getting the depression. Mention please.
okay, sir, depression is nothing. Okay, I hope you watch our video, and I think you enjoy our video. So thank you so much for watching our video.